Crossplay party chat setup. Xbox and PS4.
Hello, game enthusiasts! Today we are going to learn how to set up crossplay party chat between Xbox and PS4. This process can be a bit tricky, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to connect with your friends across platforms in no time.
What do you need?
Before we dive into the actual process, let's go over what you'll need. An Xbox console, a PS4 console, a game that supports crossplay, like Fortnite, Call of Duty, or Minecraft, a stable internet connection on both consoles, an account on Epic Games or Activision, or whichever game publisher's account is needed.
Enabling crossplay on both consoles.
In order to communicate and play together, you will need to enable crossplay on both consoles. For Xbox, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Choose Account. 3. Then select Privacy and Online Safety. 4. Go to Xbox Live Privacy. 5. Choose View Details and Customize. 6. Then select Communication and Multiplayer. 7. Here, enable You can play with people outside of Xbox Live. For PS4, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Choose Account Management. 3. Then select Privacy Settings. 4. Go to Personal Info, Messaging. 5. Here, enable Connect with other consoles.
Adding friends across platforms.
Next, you need to add each other as friends through the game publisher's account. This process can vary slightly depending on the game. 1. Start the game that supports crossplay. 2. Go to Friends or Social menu, depending on the game. 3. Add a friend using their Epic Games or Activision account username, or the relevant game publisher's account. 4. They will receive the friend request on their account and need to accept it.
Starting a crossplay party chat.
Once you have added each other as friends, you can start a party chat. 1. Again, start the game that supports crossplay. 2. Go to Friends or Social menu. 3. Look for your friend's name and select it. 4. From the options, select Invite to Party. You should now be able to chat and play together across your Xbox and PS4. And that's it. You've successfully set up a crossplay party chat between Xbox and PS4. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, gaming is always more fun when shared with friends, no matter what console they're on. Happy gaming!